Alright, video vlog check everybody, Azel here. On my hand, it's the Honor X9C smartphone from Honor Philippines. Ang pricing nito is 6,999. Ito siya. And we are here sa Honor store in One Ayala. So if you're going to buy this, dito kayo sa One Ayala bumili. Merong limited time offer for 500 off. So one of the best thing here sa phone na to is meron siyang special button dito. The special button is to activate the AI commands. Ayan, so AI, it's AI Mobile Assistant. So yun ang kakaiba niya. So sa mga tao mahilig mag-AI, this phone is for you. Pag kiniklik ko, lumalabas yung mga AI Mobile Assistant command niya. So before I do the hands-on test, discuss ko muna sa inyo yung tech specs. Itong Honor X9C smartphone from Honor Philippines. Alright, panoorin nyo to.
So ito na yung tech specs ni Honor X6C from Honor Philippines. For the display, meron siyang 6.61 inches na TFT LCD display na meron 1604 by 720 resolution sa kanyang screen. At meron siyang multi-touch gesture up to 10 touch points na supported. Meron siyang 120Hz na refresh rate sa screen at meron siyang magic capsule for your notifications, no? For the body naman, meron siyang 199 grams na weight, yung bigat niya. So hindi naman siya ganun kabigat, magaan naman din siya. At meron siyang 8.39mm na thickness, so manipis siya. At for the IP rating ng kanyang body is meron siyang IP64 na water and dust resistance, which is very important. At meron siyang 5-star SGS Premium Performance Certification or drop and crash resistance. So matibay-tibay ito, hindi siya basa-basa masasira pag nalaglag nyo. For the CPU ni Honor X6C, gumagamit siya ng MediaTek Helio G81 Ultra. This is an octa-core processor at gumagamit siya ng ARM Mali G52MC2 na GPU. For the OS naman, gumagamit siya ng Magic OS 9.0 na based on Android 15. At for the memory, no, nakita ko siya sa website niya, no, ni Honor, no, meron tatlong variant. Merong 6GB na RAM plus 128GB of storage, as meron 6GB of RAM plus 256GB of storage, at merong 8GB of RAM na 256GB of storage. For the Philippines, no, I think ang available lang niya dito is yung 128 tsaka 256 na storage, no. At ito yung pinakamaganda dito, no. Meron siyang plus 6GB na virtual RAM. So, total of 12GB of RAM ang makukuha nyo dito sa Honor X6C. For the rear camera naman ni Honor X6C, sa rear camera, meron siyang isang camera na lang, which is a 50MP main camera na meron 1.8 na aperture at plus auxiliary lens din. So, parang dual siya, pero isa lang yung gumagamit niyang camera, the 50MP na merong 1920 by 1080p video resolution at can do 1080p 30fps video recording at 8160 by 6112 na photo pixel resolution at meron 10x digital zoom sa rear camera. For the front camera naman ni Honor X6C, meron siyang front camera na 5MP na 2.2 aperture, 1080p 30fps na video recording at meron siyang facial recognition. So that's yung specs natin for the camera. Very short lang tayo but standby lang kayo dyan. For the battery naman ni Honor X6C, meron siyang 5300 na milliampere na battery na meron 35 watts na Honor Supercharge feature at it can do 18% of charge in 10 minutes. So ganun kabilis. Well, the 35 watts is very effective naman pagka ganun. For other specs, the Honor X6C, this is a 4G ready smartphone na meron dual nano SIM at pwede mo siyang kabitan din ng micro SD card. So kung dual nano SIM yan, yung isa pwedeng nano SIM din or micro SD card. So mamimili ka. Tapos for the Wi-Fi 2.4 tsaka 5GHz, Bluetooth 5.1, walang na-mention na NFC at pero meron tong OTG, USB Type-C port, yung ear jack niya is 3.5mm at meron siyang one-click AI access dun sa kabilang side ng phone, which is merong extra button to activate AI mobile assistant. At may mga AI smart features siya tulad ng text translation, search objects, homework assistant. So I guess target ito pang students, no? Kasi very parang student friendly, merong homework assistance. And for the body ni Honor X6C, meron siyang ocean cyan na color, midnight black, and moonlight white. Yan. So yung ginamit ko sa hands-on test, that's the Ocean Science. So maganda yung kulay niya. For the SRP, dalawang clients of SRP ang nakita natin dito, no? Available siya for the price of 5,855 for the 128 GB of storage. Tapos dun sa isa naman, 6,499 for the 256 GB of storage. So parehas silang 6 GB of RAM plus another 6 GB of virtual RAM. So 12 GB of RAM ang available here in the Philippines, and the 128 tsaka 256 GB of storage. So yun ang ating tech specs, no? So balik na tayo sa ating hands-on video. Alright, let's do this.
Alright, napanood na, no? So let's do the hands-on test. So ito yung phone, Honor X9C. Front camera. Because this is the rear camera. Okay. Parang isa lang yung camera niya. Right side is the power button, tsaka yung volume, charging, speaker, at sa kabilang side yung AI assistant button, which is a very unique niya. No? So, alright, let's do the hands-on. And this is the Honor X9C, itsura niya. Para-paraan lang tayo kay Honor One Ayala to do a hands-on test of this phone. Check natin. So, okay. Let's go to the about the phone. So 6 GB plus 6 GB RAM, so that's 12 GB. MediaTek Helio yung kanyang processor, 256 GB of storage, 5,300 mAh yung kanyang battery. And that's the Honor X6C. And for the camera, check na natin. Ito na, magkakaalam mo yun. Wala siyang wide angle lens. It's 1x and 2x lang. Ayan, 1x, 2x lang siya. Pero the camera is maganda. Hindi lagi. For a price of 6,999, okay niya rin din siya. Portrait mode is still the same, 1x, 2x. May konting pagka-bokeh, licious. I-bokeh natin yan. Ayan, anong tsura kaya nito? Pag-bokeh, licious. Wala akong nakitang effect, no? Kasi wala tayong subject na mas closer eh. For video, up to 1080p lang ba to? It's up to 1080p lang. At for screen, selfie screen. May konting bokeh. Medyo malabo yung ano niya. Dahil yung magandang ilaw natin dito. Ayan, magandang ilaw. I think it's recording at 1080p 30 fps. And for the rear, so kitang-kita, wala siyang stabilization. Pwede na rin din for a quick video or pang TikTok nyo, di ba? Playback natin. Ano tsura niya? Ayan, wala nga stabilization. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-shaky. Medyo hindi siya ganun ka-shaky. Ma-jello lang, pero hindi siya ganun hindi siya yung nagja-jitter. And selfie. Medyo iba yung style ng selfie nito. Grabe yung pagka-bokeh ko. Oh. Basag kagad yung background eh. Oh. Basag yung background. Ito yung normal. And let's try the other photo. Pro mode. More, konti lang. Slow-mo, panorama, time-lapse, stickers, and high-res. Konti lang siya. And ayun, may night mode din siya. So, yung screen, yung UI niya, it's very responsive. Hindi naman siya ganun mabagal. At maganda tong ano. Mga lang ito, napapagkamalang ko siyang power button. Ayan, ito yung mga AI command. So, clean up. Okay. Okay. So, sana customizable to, no? You can customize this. Sana, no? I'm not sure kung customizable to. So, may mga command siya. AI mobile assistant. Ay, baka pwede. Pwede mo siyang, add features, oh. Pwede kang magdagdag. Okay, so parang ito lang yung limit niya. Pag nagbura ka, pwede kang mag-add ng isang feature. Ayan, kamukha na ito. In-add ko na. Okay. Okay. Ano pala siya? So, it's up to you kung ano yung para siya sa camera, yung function eh. Tsaka user mode na maganda yung ganitong button Ngayon nakakalito, no? Pag hindi ka sanay, baka tayo mapindot mo, imbes na power button. And I believe the fingerprint scan is here. Andyan siya. So ito, drop resistance, meron siya, water resistance, 5,300 mAh batteries, baba. Yan, turbocharging, PB300. Yun lang yung kanyang features niya. Oh, actually, ito na yung lahat eh. Nandito na lahat eh. Try now. Alright. So that's it. Honor X9C from Honor Philippines. Oops. Kaya mabitawan. Ganda. Pwede na.